This is CNBC's live blog covering European markets. European markets are heading for a mixed open on Thursday as global investors digested the latest U.S. inflation data, which came in hotter than expected. European and U.S. stocks traded lower after the U.S. inflation data for March came in at 3.5% year-on-year, above the 3.4% expected by economists surveyed by Dow Jones and 0.3 percentage points higher than in February. Markets had expected the U.S. Federal Reserve to start cutting interest rates in June, with further cuts expected later this year, but that shifted dramatically following the release, with traders now expecting the first cut in September, according to CME Group calculations. European investors' focus is on the European Central Bank's monetary policy decision Thursday, with the central bank being closely watched for clues that it could start to cut rates in summer. Citi has identified a digital advertising and marketing services company as a high-risk but potentially attractive investment opportunity. The investment bank's analysts highlighted that, while the short-term outlook remains cloudy, there is potentially still a lot to stay excited about medium-term. The Wall Street Bank expects the attractive, yet high-risk, stock could go up by 280% over the next 12 months. CNBC Pro subscribers can read more here. Attractive returns and the breadth of opportunities have historically been among the many reasons why the U.S. has reigned supreme among investors. While the global superpower still has some areas that look good in terms of value, investment analyst Stephen Glass at Pella Funds Management has his sights on opportunities in other geographies. There are still areas that look good value, but generally, it's outside of the U.S., Glass, who is managing director at the investment house, said, naming markets and stocks he is betting on right now. CNBC Pro subscribers can read more here. Amala Balakrishnar. European markets are set to open in mixed territory on Thursday. The UK's FTSE 100 index is expected to open 10 points higher at 7,957. Germany's DAX down 3 points at 18,090. France's CAC 1 point higher at 8,043 and Italy's FTSE MIB down 27 points at 33,355. According to data from IG. Investors are looking ahead to the latest monetary policy decision from the European Central Bank on Thursday, and earnings are set to come from Givaudan.